Why did Lincoln Center undergo such extensive transformations? Imagine a place where music, dance, and theater come together in the heart of New York City. That's what Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts has been for decades. But over time, it needed a fresh look and new features to stay vibrant and relevant. So, why did it go through such big changes? Let's find out. Lincoln Center was originally built in the 1960s, a time when modernist architecture was popular. The goal was to create a cultural hub that could showcase the best in performing arts. But as the years went by, the buildings and public spaces started to show their age. Wear and tear, outdated facilities, and accessibility issues made it clear that a major update was needed. The main reason for the extensive renovations was to modernize the entire complex. This included improving acoustics in performance halls, updating technology, and making the spaces more comfortable for visitors. For example, the David Geffen Hall, home to the New York Philharmonic, was renovated at a cost of around $550 million. The project finished in 2022, ahead of schedule, and included expanding the lobby, improving sound quality, and creating more community spaces. Another big reason was to make the campus more welcoming and accessible to everyone. The original design didn't fully consider the needs of all visitors. The redesign of Damrosch Park and the main plazas brought in new entrances, green areas, better lighting, and seating. These changes aim to invite more people in and encourage community gatherings. The redesign also involved input from local neighborhoods like San Juan Hill, which has a rich cultural history connected to the area. The renovations also focused on connecting the campus better to the city. Projects like the Lincoln Center pedestrian bridge and turning 65th Street into an avenue of the arts made it easier for people to walk around and enjoy the space. The Juilliard School and Alice Tully Hall were also updated with modern technology and design improvements. From the perspective of New York State, these changes were a smart investment. They help keep Lincoln Center as a top destination for performing arts and tourism. The upgrades support the local economy by attracting visitors and creating jobs. They also show a commitment to cultural inclusion, making sure everyone can enjoy the arts. In short, Lincoln Center's big transformations were driven by the need to update aging buildings, improve public spaces, and stay connected to the community. These efforts help ensure that Lincoln Center remains a lively, accessible, and world-class cultural spot for generations to come.